me the duck story.
Bum, 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 ba-dum, ba-dum. A duck walked up to a lemonade stand, and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, bum, 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 got any grapes?" The man said, "No, we just sell lemonade, but it's cold and it's fresh and it's all homemade. Can I get you a glass?" The duck said, "I'll pass." Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle, till the very next day, bum, 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 ba-dum. When the duck walked up to the lemonade stand, and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, bum, 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 got any grapes?" The man said, "No, like I said yesterday, we just sell lemonade, okay? Why not give it a try?" The duck said, "Goodbye." Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle, till the very next day, bum, 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 ba-dum. When the duck walked up to the lemonade stand, and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, bum, 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 got any grapes?" The man said, "Look, this is getting old. I mean, lemonade's all we've ever sold. Why not give it a go?" The duck said, "How about no?" Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle, till the very next day, bum, 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 ba-dum. When the duck walked up to the lemonade stand, and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, bum, 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 got any grapes?" The man said, "That's it. If you don't stay away, duck, I'll glue you to a tree and leave you there all day stuck. So don't get too close." The duck said, "Adios." Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle, till the very next day, bum, 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 ba-dum. When the duck walked up to the lemonade stand, and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, bum, 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 got any glue?" "What? Got any glue? No, why would I? Oh, then one more question for you. Got any grapes?" Bum, 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 bum. And the man just stopped. Then he started to smile. He started to laugh. He laughed for a while. He said, "Come on, Duck, let's walk to the store. I'll buy you some grapes, so you won't have to ask anymore." So they walked to the store, and the man bought some grapes. He gave one to the duck, and the duck said, "No thanks. But you know what sounds good? It would make my day. Do you think this store? Do you think this store? Do you think this store has any lemonade?" Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle.
Classic. Just a beautiful classic, folks. Just a beautiful classic. Welcome. Welcome.
Our new EV rental fleet is the absolute GOAT.
Nice.
Welcome to the stream.
Go.
Just an absolute classic. Yeah, well, you see, you come here and you see things you haven't seen for a long, long time. And that's what it's all about, right? At the end of the day, that's ultimately what it's all about. Is getting to see things that you don't usually see. And that's important. You know, it's extremely important that you see those kind of things, I believe, you know. And again, I'm the boss, right? So I mean, yeah. I mean, what do you do about that? What do you say to the duck? There's nothing you can say. He's the boss, right? That little duck's the boss, man. There's nothing you can say about that. Ain't nothing you have to say about that. Ain't nothing you can say about that, fools. He's the boss, man. Ain't nothing you can say about that. Hopefully everyone had a good day. I wasn't really planning on doing this tonight, but we'll shoot the breeze for a little bit, have some fun. I really wasn't planning on doing this. Someone asked me this morning if I'm a vampire because I never sleep, and last I checked, I'm definitely not a vampire. But it could be possible. Maybe it's possible. I don't know. I could be a vampire, I guess. It's possible, I guess, that I'm a vampire. I don't know. Ask my wife. Maybe she'll know. if I'm a vampire. The only trade I'm in right now is, as you can see, the US 30. And a sell in the US 30 up 74 points. Stops are in profit. So that's the only trade I'm in right now. We'll definitely be looking for some opportunities to take more, but right now I'm only in that one. Joey, I see you. I think I see you in, just like me, because I'm probably in every, I think I see you in every live stream too. I see your name pop up, probably because I'm the same. I'm in every live stream as well. But I think I see you in every live stream. So you possibly could be a vampire as well. I think it's possible that you might also be a vampire. You are all over, man. And you know what, man? What, like we say, whatever makes you happy, right? Whatever gets you up in the morning, whatever floats your boat, whatever gets you hard, whatever makes you happy. I've been staying up way too late, though. I've been doing the London session and staying up till 3 in the morning on a couple of streams, and it's not getting a lot of sleep. So I don't know if I plan on doing that tonight, but I say that. But and tomorrow is going to be a shit show. So if you're going to trade, make sure you get all your trading done tonight, or if it's the morning time, wherever the hell you are. Tomorrow is going to be an absolute shit show. So you do not want to be in the markets tomorrow. Does everybody know why tomorrow's going to be a shit show? Does everybody know why? It's going to be a complete shit show tomorrow. Yep. Rate hike announcement tomorrow. So it's going to be a shit show. And the markets are going to be extremely, extremely volatile. So I would recommend getting all your trading done in the London session tonight and be out of the markets by the time that happens. You definitely don't want to be a part of that. Okay, no Kinder Bueno. No bueno. You definitely don't want to be part of that. No bueno. It will be no bueno. All right, so the hourly candle is about to close here in 7 minutes, and it looks like there might be a few different opportunities to take positions in here in 7 minutes. So if that happens, we will be on it like stink on sweat. Is it stream buffering again tonight? Do we have buffering going on again tonight? Is it a buffer tonight? So we want to be out of the markets. If you're in trades, you want to have your stops in profit or whatever, but you definitely want to be out of the markets when that crazy ass stuff happens tomorrow. No bueno for me. That will be no bueno. If I've done what I'm supposed to do and I've done my homework, my trading, there should be no reason for me to even be looking tomorrow at that time. And hopefully I've done my trading and gotten my profits, and I am just watching and laughing while people put buy and sell orders, right? They literally put buy and sell orders right before FOMC, and then one of them triggers. It's the most insane thing. That is the very definition of gambling. When right before a major news announcement, you place a buy limit and a sell limit, And then that is the literal definition of gambling. Literal definition of gambling is placing a buy and sell limit and waiting for one to trigger. I mean, that's, to me, is insane. It is insane. Okay, so we have potential for, like I said, in the 4 minutes when that candle closes, we have potential for a couple of different setups on a couple different currencies that we will absolutely take if that pattern is there that I always look for. I will absolutely be taking. Oil, it looks like will be a sell, and I will absolutely be doing that. 100%, no FOMO homo trading. We will absolutely be taking that. No FOMO homo trading. We will be taking that trade. This is such the wrong time to, if you really wanted to like have an audience when you trade, this is the worst time to be streaming because no one's around during this time. And again, like I said, I don't care, but this is quite possibly the worst time I could pick to do this, but I don't care. Not in it, again, not in it for that, but if I couldn't pick a worse time to do this, and I think it's pretty hilarious. Everything I do is just totally random, and yeah, just you couldn't pick a worse time because it's right before, it's pre-London, no one's around, they're just all sitting around waiting for stuff to happen, and here I am like a dumbass doing a stream. Oh, excuse me. And no one cares, and that's just fine. This is pre-London. Yeah, this is like the pre-workout drink, right? The pre-workout drink. All right, but if we look at oil we'll have the pattern here in 2 minutes, and we will take the trade because we are sick puppies, and we take the trade whenever that pattern shows up. No emotions. We're sick puppies. We should probably have our head examined. I always say that I should examine other people's head, but we probably should have our head examined. But oil on the 1 hour chart is showing rejection of buyers, sellers coming into the market, and if that happens in 2 minutes or 1 minute, we will be taking a sell on oil. Oh, my wife needs to talk to me. Hold on. All right, sorry about that, guys. When the wife wants to chat, you move. When the wife wants to chat with you, you stomp your 2 feet and go over there. So I'm out in my office on the side of the house. So she's like, "Hey, can I chat with you?" So you go take care of business. You don't leave the wife hanging. Happy wife, happy life, right? All right. So looks like oil didn't obviously give us the pattern. What's up, brother? How are you doing, man? Oil didn't give us the pattern that we're looking for. I am doing great. I am doing groovy inside. I feel nice and fuzzy. Feel comfortable. Had a good day. So yeah, things are looking beautiful. Hopefully for you too. Good for you, man. That's awesome. So let's take a look here and see what we got. 15-minute candles. Oh, we're going to switch to the 15-minute candles. I should have held what? Why do you want to say sorry to me? You don't need. I should have held. Which entries are you talking about? Which entries are you talking about? Because I'm pretty sure I held some pretty massive gold positions. I don't even know what entries you're talking about. What entries are you talking about? Yeah, which ones? I don't know which ones are you talking about. You're talking about buys or sells. You have to be more specific than that. Oh, 2 entries that I made yesterday at this time? Well, I mean, we can look at them. Let's see here. I don't even remember which ones they were. You don't ever have to apologize to me, dude. Okay, you don't ever need to apologize to me. And I appreciate you saying. I don't even remember you doing anything, so you never need to apologize to me, brother. I don't know what are you talking about these gold sells here? These gold buys? Because I did hold those gold buys from 18. No, that's the pound yen. I don't know which ones you're talking about. You're talking about these right here? Because I did hold gold buys from 1855 to above 1870. Well, I did. I held it from 1854 and all the way up to above 1870, but I took profit on it. Yeah, on yesterday's stream. Well, and that could be true. I don't know. I'm not sure, but I did take a trade from 18 right at the low there, and held it up to 1872. But there will be more opportunities, so I'm not worried about that. But I did hold some. But maybe I should have held longer. You're right. Maybe I should have. Who knows? I did hold some, but right now I'm just holding a sell on the US 30. That's up 62 points. So, but I did hold. I like to hold things, man. Trust me. I have no problems holding things. I have no problem holding things. I like to hold things near and dear and tight to me all the time. Near and dear and tight to me all the time. I like to hold things. Ask my wife. I like to hold things all the time. Near and dear to my heart. I hold things all day long, near and dear to my heart. Near and dear to my heart, near and dear to my heart, I hold things all day long. Oh, I'm a savage, huh? I don't know about that. Look at that. On the 15-minute on oil, looks like we just had a 15-minute candle close recently that would have been really nice. Now it's moving up. So, but I'm in this one trade right now. Well, thank you. I appreciate that, man. I kind of like them too. I kind of like them too. I kind of like them a little bit. I kind of like it. Been trading your pattern. That's awesome. Good for you, brother. That's what we like to hear. We like to hear that people are being successful. Learning how to trade. Very, very simple. Not complicated crap. Not complicated crap. I like it to hear people are being successful trading an extremely uncomplicated way of trading, and that you're being successful. That's awesome. That's what we like to hear. Well done. Well done. Good on you. That means a lot when people say that, and because I get a lot of enjoyment out of seeing that maybe something that I said, even though I'm a complete douchebag most of the time, that something I said might have affected somebody's trading style. So that's pretty cool, man. So kudos to you on that. All right, so we're going to see here in 3 minutes if we get a pattern to trade. And if we do, we'll take a trade. If not, we'll wait. I'm not going to be on very long today. I'm going to be going to bed here pretty soon. So I won't be on an extremely long amount of time tonight. It's going to be a short one, so I can get my old ass to bed. This old ass needs to get to bed. I'm doing good, man. How are you? I'm doing good. I am doing exceptionally well. Exceptionally well. Doing great, brother. Thanks for asking. Like I said, it's gonna be probably a pretty short one tonight. And FOMC is tomorrow, so you definitely want to make sure that you're out of any trades you are in or not taking any new trades because it's going to be a crazy ass day tomorrow during FOMC. It's going to be a crazy ass day tomorrow. So if you're going to take trades, make sure you protect yourself, and that's in what, 12 hours from now, actually like 13, almost 14 hours from now. So don't be a dumb idiot. Don't, there's lots of people that they place a buy and a sell order right before major news, and then one of them hits and they get all excited, but that's just pure gambling. If you're taking a buy and sell order right before news and just hoping one triggers and then goes, then that's pure gambling. Don't do pure gambling. It won't be good for you. It won't end well in the long run. Don't do gambling and don't be hasty. Don't gamble and don't be hasty is all I can say. Don't be hasty and don't gamble. All right, so on gold, it's hilarious too. I mean, it is literally hilarious because you go into that chat room that we love to talk about, the Forex Leah chat room that some of these people have come in from, and they're talking about selling. They keep talking about selling, and
So you want EVs, you have come to the right place.
I keep saying, why do you want to sell? Look at this. Why do you want to sell at major support? Why do you want to sell into a hole at major support? The selling happened way lower because these people are idiots. It's going down at 1860 or something. They're still talking about selling because they don't know what the hell they're doing. The selling happened way higher than this. The selling was way higher than this, and these idiots are talking about selling because they want to sell right into a major support level because they're crazy. Because they are batshit crazy. They want to sell low and they want to buy high because they're batshit crazy. That's the bottom line. If you're selling into a hole, you're an idiot. If you're selling into a hole, you're an idiot. The selling happened way, way higher than that. Oops, that's not what I want. Okay, if you're extremely, now again, like we always talk about, maybe it'll work for you and good on you for that. But if you're selling at that level right there, then you have serious issues that can be resolved by seeking counseling. That can be resolved by seeking counseling, I promise. So go seek a counselor. Because only idiots do that. They've been listening to too many YouTube streamers. They've been listening to way too many YouTube streamers. And they want to sell low. And they want to buy high because they're idiots. It's just crazy, people. That's definitely not how trading is supposed to be done. But they wouldn't know how trading is supposed to be done. Started with 700 a month ago. Okay. And where is it now? Right on, brother. Good. Good for you, man. That's awesome. Only trading gold. Very good. Now again, that's not to say that that it can't work, that those things can't work and selling can't work. But man, you're really selling into a hole if you're selling. Okay, so I pray for you. I'll say a little prayer for you if you're doing that. Why is that not showing up? All right. You look, nah, yeah. I'm just spitballing here, but I think that's probably not true. Probably not true. If it's true, then that's a sad day. But I'm guessing that's probably you're being a little bit facetious, is what we'd say. A little bit facetious, possibly, on that. I'm saying I find it really hard to believe that you lost 90K last year, but if you did, I'm sorry about that, man. That's a tough go about it. If you did, man, oh, gee, okay. Well, it's possible we could definitely get some entries. We just gotta wait for it. Well, if that's the case, that's too bad, brother. I wish you all the best. Things will get better. Well, you have a lot more faith that the market's going to rebound than I do. You have a lot more faith that the markets are going to rebound. I have zero faith that the markets are going to rebound. Like we talked about last night, the first quarter, the U.S. economy contracted, and if you have one more quarter of contraction in the U.S. economy, you're in a recession. Yeah, that's possible. But the U.S. economy is about to go into a recession. I don't think there's any stopping that now. So, yeah, I mean everything's high. Everything's extremely high. So, everything's high. There you go. Well, it sounds like you have a plan in place, so that's sounds like a solid plan. So and there's a chance, guys, that the markets will just be kind of dead tonight because of the markets might not move a lot tonight just because you have FOMC tomorrow. So we might not get a lot of action tonight. We'll see. But I'm not going to stay on very long tonight. I'm going to go to bed. Is he live right now too? Is he live right now? Oh, good for him. That's good. I wonder what they're looking for. He's live right now. Something is broken. Yeah. Alex. Oh, okay. Let's go see FX Savage. Oh, they are. Cool.
Let's see. Pretty scary trade, not gonna count, but bueno, you gotta risk it for the biscuit here and there, right?
They're already in a trade.
I'm bearish in this area. I'm bearish in this area though.
They're in a buy.
Damn.
Is that the pound yen they're trading?
How do you calculate your stop loss and your TPs? My girlfriend just asked me. Oh my god. Oh gosh.
Is that the pound yen they're trading?
No. Oh well. It is what it is. Peru in the house. Let's go, bitches. What's up, West? That was nice. I like that. Oh, I love that.
It's usually the pound yen, right?
Give it to me, no homo.
And they're buying the pound yen right now. Yeah, that's interesting. Hopefully it works out for them. Well, we're not playing. I'm not showing that stream, but it looks like there's a possibility they're selling that. That's
Yo, what's up with
that was interesting.
Can anybody tell me what's going on with the yen? Because every broker right now has insane freaking spreads. Like, is it still a bank holiday, bro? It's been a bank holiday all week, or I'm tripping. I haven't even looked. Like, I literally have not looked at any fundamentals. I swear to God, I don't want to trade based off the fact that, like, oh my God, fundamental here and there. You know what I'm saying? I think GJ has enough volume to give me at least 20 pips, 30 pips.
Was the yen? I think the yen was on holiday all week. Yeah, I do believe the yen was on holiday all week.
Dude, wasn't it bank holiday for 3 days in a row?
I do believe, yeah. I
3
think
days
it
in a row,
is.
chat?
Yeah, I think
No
so.
way.
That's crazy. Yeah, Dade, I know you are. I know you are because you're in the group. You're in my group, and we've been selling the GJ a lot. And maybe it works out for him. And if it does, that's great. I think it's wonderful. I hope everybody makes money. I hope everybody makes money. I have nothing but love and hard-ons for everybody. So I hope everybody makes money. So if they do, that's great. Good for them. If the 15-minute candle closes here in 1 minute, I probably will be placing a sell on it. So we'll be going opposite. I know what I'll want to be doing. If I get a 15-minute candle close like this, I will definitely be wanting to sell it. But we shall see what happens. But if I get this close on a 15-minute candle like this coming up here, I will absolutely be taking a sell on this. So I'm going to get it ready. And I guess we'll be on opposite sides of this trade if that happens. Okay, there you go. I'm taking a sell on it, so we'll see what happens. But I guess they're in a buy. We can be in sells. I just took a sell. my stop loss needs to be above 162.70. My stop loss will be 162.90 probably. And if I lose, I lose. That's fine. Good for the buyers. But I'm absolutely taking a sell on this. And the reason I'm taking a sell is because on the 15-minute chart, at least for now, and if I move this 15-minute chart over here, so you guys can see it, I'll replace this one for a second. At least for now, you have sellers that are coming into the market, right? You have sellers that are coming into the market, and it gave us a nice rejection. And if it loses, it loses. That's fine. I have no problem losing. So we'll see what happens. I guess we're on the opposite side than the Savage Gang, though. So we'll see what happens.
What did again? No, I got banned by the same person who's been fucking me my whole life, literally.
We'll see. We'll see who ends up on the right side of this little bad boy trade. We'll see who's on the right side of this one. Maybe they will be. Maybe they will be, right? And that would be fine. Maybe they'll be on the right side, and if they are, good on them.
Hopefully it's 30-minute flips. Be solid.
Yeah, I mean, it's possible that anything works out, right? I mean, there's no guarantees in Forex. There's no guarantees that because I have my rejection pattern that the sells are going to work out. There's absolutely no guarantee about that. For sure. I mean, buys could absolutely work. The reason I sold it is because it was at a major resistance level from May 3rd right here, right? If I circle that, that previous support now becomes resistance, so it broke below there, right? And then pulled back to there, and it gave me my sell signal right there. That's why I did it, because that was a previous support, now becomes resistance. It broke that, pulled back, and I believe that it will come down again and come down into this area here potentially, but it may not. I think I'm going to be staying away from the markets tomorrow while they do the rate announcement. I think I'm going to be staying away from the markets. That's what I plan on doing. So that's my plan. But
McDonald's is preparing your order. Fire.
Everybody has a different plan, but my plan is to not be watching the charts at that time.
Sons of bitches. Like, I better have my iced coffees done in like 5 seconds. Okay. Iced coffee at 12:30. Huh?
Yeah, definitely.
Iced coffee at 12:30 in the morning. That's crazy. Of course. What are you talking about, sir? You'll be up all night. I ain't gonna lie. I had coffee until 10:30. Look at that, guys. JP just called to buy right now. You see? There you go. JP 100% knows where the market's going to, so we good. No, he said 90%, remember? Oh, yeah.
My stop loss is a lot deeper than theirs would be, though, so it's possible that they could win. And then I could win later, right? Because my stop losses are a lot deeper. But it was absolutely what I look for. And like I said, if we lose, we lose. That's fine. It's interesting, though. Right now, theirs is looking a lot better. But we'll see. We'll keep our eye on that one.
Come on, gang. Let's get some likes up in the stream over here. Nah, fam, the buy is too early.
We'll keep an eye.
It might be a little too early, but we're catching it kind of like at the break of the channel. So, I mean, you never know. I mean, look at GJ last week. It moved all 8 in session. Kind of said, screw London. You know what I'm saying? So, I I mean, I got one more in me if anything, guys. So.
We are going against the herd. We're going against the herd, though. By taking sells when they're in buys, we're going against the herd. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. I do like the sells, so I'm not terribly worried about it. It was exactly what I look for, so I have no issues losing if I lose. So. I really don't anticipate a ton of action tonight, though. To be honest with you, yeah, it looks bearish. I mean, like I said, it's exactly what I look for when I'm looking to do a trade. So it's exactly what I look for, and if it ends up not if it ends up not working out, that's fine.
Why did I put the trend line like that? It doesn't really matter, to be honest. It's just kind of just letting my eye know that we broke a channel. That's basically it. Why does Raja hate on you? Raja doesn't hate on me. It's basically like a friendly competition.
We'll see what happens. I definitely feel confident in the sells, though. I definitely feel confident in the sells.
What a bitch.
People like to start drama too, don't they? They're trying to pit Raj and him against each other. It's kind of hilarious.
This is a pretty strong support, guys. I really hope we don't break it.
Too much bull crap. Too much bull crap in the Forex industry. And I've definitely been a part of that and contributed to that, but too much crap going on. The SPX, the S&P 500.
I feel like I'm so much drawn up, but I'm really not.
S&P 500 probably. Yeah, people just they love the drama. And I used to love it too. I used to thrive on it, but I'm not getting involved in it now. Okay, we got 5 minutes. No more than 5 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. We'll see if there's anything that sets up. I used to thrive on the drama, but I'm not about that drama now.
Thank you very much. I'm getting sick. My nose is running. My throat itches. I'm not sleeping. Facts.
No, I haven't.
I swear I get more sick now that I trade London. Just from staying up so late.
Dude, I think so. Your sinuses check. Yeah, you know what I've been using, guys? I don't know if you guys have any issues either, but I actually suffer from a deviated septum and I have disgusting allergies. And I need to have somebody clean the fan on my roof, so that's giving me a lot of allergies also. But, I got
I'm going to
these
take that US
little
30 cell that I was up.
pods
I'm going
that
to
you
take the
throw in the bottom
35
of the
points on
shower,
that
and
and
when the water hits it, like,
be done with
basically,
that one.
the steam will come up with it, and it's like the whole bathroom smells like menthol. It's like clears your nose and you're dripping.
We'll see what happens.
It's amazing.
That on the GJ.
I definitely recommend it. Let me get the name for you guys.
We'll see what's right. We'll see who's right on that position.
This is what it is, guys. I don't know if you guys
And maybe no one will be right. Maybe everyone will be right.
Vapor shower.
Looking better for him right now, though.
It's pretty lit. It's like these little pods that you throw on the bottom of the floor, and then like you let them, the water like will dissolve it with the steam and everything, and it's pretty dope. Oh my god, just smell it. Oof. So it's pretty freaking dope. It's like a steamer, but with this. I'm gonna throw it in the steamer.
Nothing on the pound Aussie. Coming up on a 15-minute. Nothing on anything coming up right now, so we just wait. It's always interesting to listen to other people, and I do enjoy actually listening to other perspectives. I obviously don't trade like those people, but it's always interesting to listen to different perspectives. Good night, man. You have a good night. Yeah, it's always fun to listen to different perspectives. And nothing but I wish nothing but success to all of them. May everyone win. May everybody win.
With your analysis is always best. To be honest, like the reason why you're entering.
But it's looking better actually. So we'll see.
The reason why you're entering the trade, if your SMAs look really good, then even better. You know what I'm saying? But like, for example, I entered this off the 5-minute channel break because I wanted the best entry possible, and we were trading above the 8 SMA. You know what I'm saying? So
you do look at the 5-minute.
Yeah, the 5-minute. I try to get the 5-minute sometimes. Like most of my entries try to be on the 5-minute in Confluence, because you kind of want to always have the best entry. So basically, if you can catch it on the 5-minute, you probably catch the momentum of like let's say the 30-minute candle. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
What's up, Camille? How are you?
Because like that trade, I think 2 nights ago, where it dropped a shit ton.
We shall see.
30-minute close, like engulfing and under.
There's just no volume in the market too, and that doesn't help. We're just at a shitty time of the day to be doing anything.
Then again, like look at the 30-minute leg, right? Like my SMAs were nowhere to be found, and I took a sell right there.
Really not a reason to be trading at this time of night, but we're here, so we do it.
You don't want to always strictly trade off the SMAs. You want to use them in Confluence, right? So you're not like always like depending on them, because the moment you depend on them, it gets kind of scary.
They're asking why he's in sells or why he's in buys.
I didn't take that trade last night because I was like, I saw it above the EMA, and I was like, I don't. So I guess I was.
But time will tell, right? I mean.
Take my trade last night. Oh, we got Ali Juma just subscribed, guys. If you're new to the channel, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button, guys. We're gonna start going live almost every other day.
Yeah, no, I didn't. But I entered the Sunday night one, which was fire. So I was like,
oh my god, it was such a close one.
This is a possibility that this could move up now for sure, but we'll see. I still am comfortable with my sells, so I'm basically at break even right now, right? Actually, not even, maybe, yeah.
Wait till 3 a.m. I don't know. I just feel like the move's gonna happen now. Either get in now or miss out. And they get in at 3. But I mean, we're here. Might as well. I saw an opportunity. I took it. Yesterday I traded at 4:30. The trade yesterday was at 4:30. 4 in the morning exactly, yeah. And then the day before was basically 3 in the morning. The market gives you something, you take it. When the Cully coming back, they're repairing it already.
Where is
I can't wait to get that.
where's the stop at?
They want to rent that car out, to be honest.
Where's the stop at?
There's really no point of treating it like a baby girl.
Where's the stop at on the sell?
If I go to F1, I have no idea, to be honest.
Where's this stop at? Okay, guys, nothing to trade right now, so we're just holding back until we get an opportunity, and just kind of listening to the views of others. But what's their stop at? Right around 25. Looks like right around 25, right? So it's a 20-point stop loss. That's not bad. That's not bad, right? Is that what I'm seeing? Right around 25. It looks like it's around 25.
Relations trade ever have $1 million account? Not really, but you can scale up to $1 million. We had somebody that had 900 one time, and we had somebody that had 600K.
There's just not a lot going on in the markets right now.
Hope they got a payout before.
Nope, it didn't. They did not get a single payout. We blew all that money. What an hell. 150,000 in buying power just gone. When I'm making new Instagram, I'm actually gonna get my other one back. But the thing is, I need to get a shield first. So, like 6ix9ine and all these people, like they have shields, so they can do whatever the fuck they want on Instagram, basically.
That can't be free.
Of course not. There goes another Toyota gone.
We're going to go to the 1 hour chart now too, because the 1 hour will be the next opportunity to get to trade.
Lifetime promo for May, the first promo of the year for the signals. Yeah, this is my only promo I've done all year. 5 months and I'm done promo. We're doing 250 lifetime right now. I did the lifetime promo while I was back on Instagram, but now it's gone.
Lifetime promo. That's great.
Add PayPal for nations. Damn. Oh, look at that, guys. We're back in the blues. We're back in the blues. My spread has me a little red, not gonna lie. Dude, my entry was supposed to be like 490. Put me in at like 508, bro. Look at that.
We might have a gold opportunity here too. We might have a gold opportunity here on the 1 hour chart coming up. We also might have an oil sell, so there's going to be a couple opportunities we have here soon.
You got it at 505. I got it at 508, basically. Is it 508? Yeah, I'm at 508 there. I need to get new glasses or something because I'm blind as hell. I'll be seeing 2s as 8s and 9s as 6s over here, bro.
We'll see. We'll see.
How many lots did I place? 30 lots. I'm swinging 30 lots now.
It's boring though. What a boring market.
I'm throwing 30 lots. If I'm scalping, I'll do 50 to 100.
This is kind of just a boring market.
But I lowered my lot size and I started winning more. I don't know if you guys noticed that.
It's boring. It's just a boring market. I wish there was any kind of volume that we're coming to the market. Maybe we'll get it here soon. But it's it's a clash right now. Either the buyers or the sellers. Ooh.
I'm still a scalper, but I just
Very strict hours. Nice.
I want to start training my body and my mind and my soul. Start getting at least 50 pips now. Because I can swing 20, 30. I can scalp 20, 30 pips, but I want to start swinging now. Like getting more pips and more trades and stuff like that.
Well, we'll see, Dade. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe it ends up being that I'm the clown for selling it. But
So the best.
I like the position I have, so.
So the best way to kind of start training your mentality and your psychology.
You know, that the buys may end up playing out, but I like my position, and I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll ride with that position, and if I lose, I lose. That's fine. If I lose, I lose. Losses are part of the game, like we talk about every night in here. Losses are a part of the game. Losses happen. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. It should be interesting to see what side of that trade ends up playing out. I know what I like, but what do I know? I'm an idiot, and I only have 10 people or so on my stream, so I must be just a complete dumbass because I don't get the following or the stream amount of people that those people do. All the big gurus, right? So what do I know? I'm just a little measly little person that has 10 people in here. Well, they have 320. So, and that's really important. That's extremely important. It's really important.
Never mind. Dude, she's only done one delivery. I am officially her second delivery.
I want another US 30 sell. That's really what I'm looking for, is another US 30 sell.
We'll give her like $10. Be like, hello, here you go. Should have been quicker. You would have got 20. Oh my god, yo, this gap. Yeah, you know, I shouldn't have traded. I shouldn't have traded. Honestly, I shouldn't. This range is bamboozling me. I thought we were gonna start ripping. Yes, guys, I know. I'm aware it's a holiday. Relax. Don't worry. We thought on. Oh my god. Agates. What is that? What is PH agates? What is that? Oh, look at that. You get to go to timeout now. Wait, you little bitch. Now, 300 seconds, you can't talk. How much is 300 seconds? It was like 3 minutes? No way, is it more, right? Was that 5 minutes? Yeah, it's like 5 minutes, right? Jesus, my mouth is so bad. High school girls hit you up? No, I didn't really go to high school for them to hit me up. No, I didn't order food, so we're Gucci. We got some iced coffees, so it's not like they're gonna get cold.
Yeah, these markets are just slower than hell.
It's crazy how science works. Hot shit turns cold, and cold things turn hot.
These markets are just slower than hell. It's like watching paint dry at this point. So the 1 hour candle is closing in 5 minutes. There's a potential sell on US on oil, the potential buy on gold, and a potential sell on
Fucking, you're so slow, dude.
on US 30. We'll see if that happens.
Danny Mac, YouTube. Savage Game, what's up, brother? Are you and Dr. Dollar still cool? Yeah, we're cool.
We'll see what happens. But I will definitely not be staying much longer after this 1 hour candle close. I'm going to be going to bed tonight. Oh, someone just wrote in, this dude's a clown. Man, it's really, let me tell you something too. For the measly amount of people that are in here right now, it's really easy to criticize people who stream from the cheap seats. But if you aren't willing to stream yourself and put yourself in a situation where you're exposing yourself to everybody else, it's really easy to criticize people from the cheap seats. And, you know, if these people that are criticizing him or criticizing anyone, why don't you put your fucking money up there, then live stream yourself? Because you won't. Oh, my day's great, brother. So it's really easy to criticize from the cheap seats. But, no, you know, you give him respect for at least putting himself out there where people can
still not over this drop I
mock him, you know.
This whole
Kudos to him for that, because there's not a lot of people that are brave enough to do that and put themselves out there.
in 3 minutes. Wow,
So,
dude,
kudos to him for that. Whether we agree on the style of trading or not, at least he's out there doing it, while these other people who criticize wouldn't dare do it.
You know, I rode that whole thing down, blacked out into the profit, going from like fucking like 10,000 to 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
So, if you're not willing to do it yourself, and you don't have the balls to do it yourself, you really shouldn't be criticizing other people that are doing
I
it.
think I'm scaling in traders, yeah. It's gotta be very smart though. I don't really scale it anymore like that. Damn, did you fix your windshield? What's wrong with my windshield?
But my day is great, man. I generally have good days. I'm usually a pretty positive person, to be honest with you.
You make it, bro. Hey, man, love from my brother. Appreciate you.
So,
You know me, bro. I can't stop being me. I gotta keep doing me. I heard everybody was missing the lives, so you know we got back on here. Did you hold the TP3 in your last live? In my last live? No, actually, I didn't. Unfortunately, I didn't. I wish so.
okay, 2 more minutes till this candle close, and we'll see if we get anything.
Look at that 5. Look at the 5 minute. I kind of don't want to look at the 5 minute right now because it does not look good. So I don't want to look at the 5 minutes. I want to look at the candle that makes most sense, and that's kind of like the other one right now. So we're gonna stick to 30 minutes. It's 30 minutes. I've not broken those yet, so I want my psychology to be still intact and straight. Don't want to be nervous. Anyway, where is this girl at? Oh, she's here. Oh, gotta go. Give me a second, guys. BRB.
So, yeah. So we'll see what happens on that one. Right now, we're in profit just a little bit. And it looks like we might get a couple of opportunities on a couple other ones. So, the candle, 1 hour candle is going to close in 1 minute. And we may not take anything more. The US 30 looks like it might be a sell, but it's such a small candle that I'm not sure I want to mess with the US 30 right now, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes, but the GJ is definitely moving down. And the reason that the GJ is moving down, if we just want to do some analysis, yeah, oil. I think I have to do oil too. I'm going to take a sell on oil, whether I win or lose on the trade. Definitely think I have to take a sell on oil. And we'll keep our stop losses as tight as we can tonight. I don't want big stop losses tonight. 103.30. We'll do good. We'll do good for that. So we're going to get into oh, shoot. No, we don't want another GJ. That's another GJ. We don't want that. What am I doing here? Sorry about that. We want it on the U.S. oil. And we're going to place our stops at 103.50. Oh, excuse me, 103.30 is fine. We'll go 103.30 on the stop. So it's going to be an 80-point stop loss. Okay, the GJ is moving down for us. The GJ is moving down for us, so that's nice. We're in good profit on that one. So let's talk again about the GJ for a minute and why I wanted to be in GJ sells.
Oh hell no!
Is because I had my pattern. So here's what I think on the GJ, and I could be wrong, but we're going to be able to cover our stops here pretty quick. Okay, so you had this pretty significant level. If you look from several different times here at 162.51, this level is hit several different times, right? So you had a break below here, break below that level, and then a pullback to this level at 161.51, and now you're seeing a sell off of that level, right? Am I buffering again? Are we doing the buff again tonight? Are we going to buff again tonight? Are we buffing? Are we buffing tonight? Huffing and buffing. Are we still here? Are we huffing and buffing tonight? Did we stream go away? Are we buffering? Oh, here we go.
Not only did I get one iced coffee, but I got two.
But the reason we took that trade is because you had.
Oh Jesus Christ!
Oh, you're still okay. We're still here. You had a break below that 161.51 level, and then you had a pullback to it. So that's why I took the trade. I probably took it because I'm dumb too. But we'll see. Maybe we get the move we're looking for, and maybe we don't.
Idiot trade. Okay, trade is bad because it's down 10 pips. Okie dokie. Bro, you probably drive a fucking Corolla, rent it out on Turo, and fucking when you're not, you're Ubering and doing Uber Eats, bro. Like, bro, don't talk to me, bro. I lose your whole yearly salary on 3 trades if I want to, and it still does not affect me. Get out of my comments, little girl, for a whole week.
He's tearing them apart now. He's tearing them apart now. Tearing them apart, man.
Oof. RIP, boys. Well, remember, guys, we did get the 4-hour low right now also, so just be very, very cautious of that. And I hope
He just tore them apart. It's pretty funny.
Remember, look, my stop loss is very, very valid, guys. If it gets hit, damn, it's gonna suck because I haven't seen the stop loss in how long? Since April. We haven't seen this area since freaking April 28th. So I mean, I think I have a pretty valid stop loss. If it hits,
No, we saw this level just a little bit ago. We saw this level on a 15-minute chart.
my stop loss is 11 pips away.
Not too long ago, actually. We saw this level on a 15-minute chart. We saw it earlier today.
RIP. GG's though.
Right there. That's the swing low on the 15-minute chart.
This open was not fair at all.
We'll see.
If it really comes comes back up, then it's game over. Like really game over. Like we're gonna win. Oh my god, bro, I'm scared now. Morgan.
We'll see what happens. I like it though. I like the trade that we're in. I like the sell. And if I was a scalper, right, I would be taking 10 pips right now and calling it good, right? It'd be close. I'm doing my stop losses at break even right now at plus 10.
Marvin Joseph with the subscription. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, brother. Unfortunately, you just joined when we were getting clapped. It's okay though.
They haven't lost on this one yet. That one's far. This is far from over on this trade. Far from over. But it's not looking great. But you never know.
Oh my god, my girlfriend's bitching at me. Because my girlfriend's taking my signal right now, and she sent me a
Trading in peace. What do you say? Okay. What do you mean? Okay. Anyways, we'll see what happens. It could absolutely move up on us, and that would be fine. But I could have taken my 10 pips and just said thank you if I wanted to be a 10 pip pussy trader, but I'm not a 10 pip pussy trader. So I don't take 10 pips like a pussy. Odd 15-minute chart. Well, we got 8 minutes left to go on the 15-minute chart, so we'll wait and see on that one. GDP Aussie. Okay, well, yeah, when we get closer to the 15-minute candle close, we'll take a look at that one. I should have closed my 10 pip profit, though. I should have closed my 10 pips profit on it. On the GJ, it's moving up now, so.
Guys, remember, if you guys are not new to the channel,
Maybe we'll be the ones that get clapped. I'm pretty confident that that's not going to be the case, but I could take 5 pips right now and just run out of here like a madman. I'm pretty sure we'll be just fine. I hate selling oil, though. That is one of the ones I hate selling, but the pattern was there, so we took the trade because that's what the pattern says to do, but I absolutely hate selling.
literally like 2 sips of that shit, I already got diarrhea.
I hate selling oil. I hate selling oil. And that one will probably, quote, clap us. So, not my favorite to sell oil, especially with what's going on in the world right now, but it is what it is, and we take the trade because that's what the numbers say to do, but not my favorite one. Not my favorite in the world. And there just may be no real volume in the markets just because tomorrow is the crazy ass day. So there may be no real volume just because tomorrow's rate announcement day in the United States and the markets are going to go batshit crazy. So this just might be everyone sitting on their hands until that happens. All right, so we'll go look at the pound Aussie. Dave was saying on the pound Aussie we might have the pound Aussie looks really good too for a potential sell. That wick at the top of the candle is longer than the body of the candle on the 15-minute chart. That looks really good for a sell on the pound Aussie. So good catch on that, Dave. But we gotta wait 5 more minutes. But that candle is looking really peachy and really beautiful and really lovely. Makes me kind of horny. Just kidding. Just kidding, guys. It does not. That does not make me horny. You sick fucks. Does not make me horny, you sick people. Why would you think that? It's disgusting. All right, Dave, keep an eye on that pound Aussie for us, would you? You're a sick person if you think that makes me horny. Sick people around here. Sick puppies. Oil doesn't like me. Oil definitely doesn't like me right now.
Boy, if you don't go up right now before I get back, I swear to God, I'm gonna lose it.
It's not going to go up before you get back. It's going to take some time. And then I said that, and it goes up a little bit. There you go. Here we go. Here we go. We might be the ones that end up getting clapped here. We shall see. This is battle of the minds here. But it looks like I'm going to get clapped on oil, and that doesn't make me very happy. Gosh, everything is buffering for me right now. Everything is freaking buffering. For me, at least. Yeah, Dave, it looks really good. The 15 minute on that one looks really good. So we will pull up to that one now and see if it's still looking good. That's absolutely looking good. Absolutely looking good. We will take this trade on the pound Aussie. We will absolutely take this trade in 2 minutes if it closes like this. Close like this, we will definitely be in that trade in a minute. All right, it's gonna happen. It looks like. So I'm gonna get my order ready here, and be ready for this if it happens. And be ready, damn it, if this happens. Remember, the pattern for sell is just a wick at the top of the body of the candle, longer than the body of the candle with no tail. And it sure as hell looks like we're going to have that. Sure as hell looks like we're going to have that. But we'll see. Yep, here we go. All right, we're in that trade. On the pound Aussie, our stops have to be above the high of the wick, right? The high of that wick at the top of the body of the candle is 175.73, but I want to have it above that by a decent amount. So my stops on that is probably going to be somewhere up in here because I want to avoid that area. 176.10. I'll put it 176.10 to begin with. And we'll see what happens on that. But 176.10, which is about a 60 pips stop loss. 1.7610. All right, so we'll see if that one plays out. We'll keep an eye on that, obviously. And see if that one works for us. We'll see if it works, son of a bitches. But so far, so good on the GJ sell. So far, so good on the GJ sell. But it's looking pretty pretty good that GJ will probably. And where's the next support level? Where's the kind of the next major support level on GJ? It is down. Oops, sorry about that. It is down here at that 162.29 area. So from earlier today, right? That is the swing low on the 15-minute chart down here. So chances are higher that if it's going to make a move up, it will make a move up from a major support level. And that major support level would be 162.29. So we'll see. But chances usually are that things bounce off of major support levels. And I think that's obviously what will happen here. Someone says in there, can anyone tell me which is best time frame to trade Bollinger Bands and RSI? There's no good time to trade that bullshit. To me, personally, there's no good time to trade bullshit lagging indicators. So, can someone tell me which is the best time frame to trade Bollinger Bands? None of them. No time is a good time to do that. How about 0 times? Never, ever. Is there a good time to use Bollinger Bands and RSI because they're lagging bullshit indicators? That's what I would say. How about that? That's my answer for it. But I don't know very much. I'm not very bright. So, I don't know much. I don't know much, but I would never use RSI or any of that stuff to trade because it's complete bullshit and a complete waste of time. Complete waste of time, in my opinion. People can think what they want, but in my opinion, it's just a waste of time. But again, I don't know anything, so don't listen to me. Do not listen to me. Do not listen to me. I know nothing. And that GJSL isn't over for him. The GJSL is definitely not over for him. But I could absolutely place my stop at break even now, right? I'm at 15. I can place my stop at break even very easily. But I don't do that. I don't usually do that. That's not how I trade. That's how other people trade. And you know, they can do whatever they want, but I don't usually do that. Maybe I should. Maybe we should. Maybe we will. You know what? Damn it, we will. How about that? We're going to place our stops at break even on the GJ or at +1. So no matter what, we'll make a little bit of money. How about that? And if it continues down, it continues down. Great. But we're going to place our stop at +1 on the GJ. So we're going to win on the GJ no matter what. Maybe it keeps going down, and that would be great. But so 140, 162.40. 47, 8. Yep, there you go. So we are in, we will make no money no matter what on that cheeky bastard. 1 pip. Ooh, we are styling. We are rolling. We are rolling on it. Don't you just feel so great about that? Don't you feel so great about the fact that we are rolling on this GJ? We are in profit. Our stops are in profit. And they're just, like we were talking about the other night in another stream, they're just cold-hearted, man. People are just cold-hearted in there right now. They're just giving him the business. Giving him the business. They're just giving him the business, and there it goes. So it's at 29 now, so it's a couple pips away from his, but we can absolutely move our stops now to even more, right? But that trade is looking really good. And this some other guy goes in there and says GJ sell below 162.25 only if you're an idiot. Okay, only if you're an idiot. Only if you're an idiot do you sell GJ at the break of 162.25 because you're selling a low there. The sells happen way higher than that. But when you don't know how to fucking read a chart, you think that you should be selling lows on gold on GJ. Whether or not, I mean, we're going to make money on this no matter what. But only morons sell gold. I mean, sell the GJ here, hoping that it breaks below the swing low on the 15-minute chart. Only morons do that. The sell was up here, and we got in there, but only morons do that. But then again, most of them are morons. Okay, the sell was with that rejection of the buyers on the 15-minute candle 3 or 4 candles ago. That's when selling happened. If you're selling waiting for 162.25 break, then you're a fucking moron and you shouldn't be trading. Tasman, the guy that was chatting in the chat, you're a moron. You should not be trading if that's what you think is good trading.
Oh, hell no.
You should not be trading.
GG's boys, RIP. We need a miracle on this one. Not gonna cap. What was this open, bro? Where's the wick? Where's the wick, bro? This is pure disrespect over here. Literally pure disrespect.
Be pretty cool if he got out, but if he was able to recover and ended up going up,
right back out.
that'd be actually pretty cool.
I walked right back out and get my iced coffee.
That'd be pretty cool if he actually pulled this one off with like a four pips away from his stop loss, and then it continues up. That'd be pretty cool because we're in profit now, so I don't really care what it does now. This is a profitable trade no matter what. So it would kind of be cool if he pulls it out of his hat.
Yo, I'm kind of lit right now. Come on, let's get it, gang.
But he's like 5 pips away from being out on that trade.
Dude, why do people get so mad at me, bro? Like, yo, we're down like 16 pips, 17 pips. Relax. Yeah, like 18 pips. Yo, relax.
Can I place mine at like plus 3 or plus 4 now, just to be an asshole? Yeah, I'm gonna go plus 4 on it. So 162.44.8, just to say I got plus 4. I don't know why it matters to me.
If I didn't take this loss, I got one more in me though.
Plus 4.
I will take one.
So no matter what happens, we'll make plus 4 on this one. I really just want to go to bed. Is my main objective right now. I'm going to change these candles, at least the US 30 to a 30-minute candle. See if we're getting a candle close in 5 minutes on that. See if we get a possibility on the US 30, which I think we're going to get on the 30-minute candle. That candle on the 30-minute on the US 30, if you look at it, has a wick at the top longer than the body of the candle. That's the pattern I look for. So if we get that pattern closing in 4 minutes on the US 30, I will absolutely be selling the US 30. That pattern right there that I'm circling, I will absolutely be selling that. I will absolutely be selling that. I actually wish it did it before that because I want to sell it now, but I'm going to wait for the 30-minute candle to close. Oh, well, yeah, and we already took that. Oh, it's looking good again. Yeah, there you go. It looks really nice. So it looks like we could potentially make some money on that as well. I'm telling you guys, I don't care. I've always said I don't care about YouTube followers. I don't care about Instagram followers, but Dade will tell you, he's in my Signal group, and Dade will tell you it's the best fucking Signal group around, and it's not even close. Dade will tell you, he's in the Signal group. Ask him. Don't take my fucking word for it. Ask Dade. It's the best Signal group around, and it's not even fucking close. Second place isn't even close. My Signal group is the best Signal group out there, and it's not even close. Second place, there's not a close second place. You can call me an asshole. You can call me a narcissist. You can call me whatever the hell you want. Facts are the facts. And my Signal group kicks ass. My Signal group kicks ass. And Dade is in there, and he can confirm that for you. It is the best Signal group around. The best Signal group around. Bar none, point blank, no cap, 3/4 cap, whatever you want to say. All those fancy words that kids use these days. No cap, 3/4 cap, whatever. No hizzy, no jizzy, whatever the hell it is. My stream is the best Signal group around. And it's not even fucking close. It's not fucking close. 85% win rate. That's exactly right, brother. Every one of you schmucks in here should be in the Signal group. It is the best. Hands down. No cartwheels, no nothing. Hands down the best. Hands down the best. I want the US 30 to drop a little bit more in 1 minute, and then I will potentially take a sell on the US 30. I absolutely want to take a sell on it. I absolutely want to take a sell on it, but it's got to give us the pattern, and it may not do it here. So +4 on the GJ. No matter what happens with the GJ, it's going to be +4, and that's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome. +4 no matter what, you bastards. Drop a little bit more US 30, you cheeky bastard. You cheeky bastard. Drop a little bit more. Like 3 or 4 more points before the close. I look like a demo trader? Well, that's good for you, man. Pikachu, that's great. I think I've seen this guy before. You can think whatever you want, man. Whatever gets you up in the morning, whatever gets you hard, you can think whatever the hell you want, man. I don't fucking care. So, think whatever you want, brother. Good for you. You think I'm a demo trader? That's awesome.
4-hour candle did not make top wick. Yeah, none did actually. Bro, we pull up back here. Oh my
Nobody fucking cares what you think.
I'll hold it all the way.
I promise you, no one in this little tiny midget stream gives a fuck what you think. Nobody. No one will lose sleep over someone like you saying anything in here. No one fucking cares. Comprende? Comprende, señorita? Comprehende? El dos? Comprende? Was that clear enough for you? Nobody fucking cares what you think. Pikachu. Nobody. I hope that's clear enough for you.
Come on, baby.
I don't know how to make it more
Nice
clear.
to me. Be nice to me.
Don't know how to make that more clear to you. No one cares. You're irrelevant. Okay? You're important in someone's life and good for you, but nobody fucking cares. You're not relevant in my life, so I could give two shits what you think. I hope I'm clear enough on that. I hope I didn't miss words on that when I said that, because who fucking cares what this guy says? I take shits bigger than you, Pikachu, so you can go fuck yourself. I don't really care. I take shits bigger than you. So. I just took a crap like an hour ago, and I guarantee you it was more manly than Pikachu. I guarantee you that crap I put in my toilet an hour ago is more manly than Pikachu. I look like a demo. That's so awesome. I'm so glad you think that, man, because I really care. I'm so glad you think that. Because honestly, what are we going to do? You know, at the end of the day, what are we going to do? This complete and utter zero came in here and said that I look like a demo trader, and I tell you what, that just hurts my feelings so much. I mean, I don't know what to do with myself. You know, what do I do? Some moron comes in my stream and says, "You look like a demo trader." Oh, good for you, little man. Good for you, little man. Good for you. I hope you die of gonorrhea and rot in hell. I'm just kidding. That's a line from a movie. I don't hope he dies of gonorrhea and rots in hell. I'm totally kidding.
Boy, I swear to God, bro. Fight somebody. Pull up, ho.
I wish you die of gonorrhea and rot in hell.
See what's up with gold. Yeah, this is scary.
That's from Ace Ventura movie, the original Ace Ventura. When he was talking about Dan Marino, and this line in it is, "I hope that Dan Marino dies of gonorrhea and rots in hell." So I sometimes like to use that one because I'm an asshole. So sue me. Get in line. Sue me. Yeah, I don't want to be doing this much longer tonight. There's other streams that people can go listen to. I definitely don't want to be doing this all night. The US 30. Damn you, US 30. I wanted to sell on US 30. It doesn't look like I'm going to get it. So damn you, US 30. Damn you. There it is. Goodbye. GJ. GJ is bye-bye. GJ is L bye-bye. Oh, you freaking clown, GJ. Look at this. It's just dancing around that stop loss. Just dancing around it. I thought that little spike down was going to be... I thought that little spike down was going to be it, but they might live to fight for a few more minutes. they're gonna escape by the skin of their teeth too. That's probably what will happen. Like we've been saying, and that'd be pretty funny. They're probably gonna escape by the skin of their teeth. Because that 162.29 area is an area we've talked about on the GJ. That was a pretty significant level, at least on a 15-minute chart. If you look at it right here, it was a low from earlier today. Right here, right? So it's going to dance around there. So it's gotten back to that area right here, and we'll see if it's able to break lower. But to us, it doesn't matter because we already placed our stops in profit. So it can do whatever the hell it wants at this point. Because we already took, we'll make profit no matter what. But it dipped down there for a second, and I thought it might go down a little bit further, but for now, it's not. But that is a pretty significant area if you're just trading a 15-minute chart. That's a pretty significant area. I love that. I look like a demo trader. I'm glad. I'm glad I look like a demo trader. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. I'm a demo. Yes, I look like a demo trader. So they might escape this, guys. They might actually escape this thing. And wow, that's because they escaped one the other night too. That almost came down and took them out and then went in their favor. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good if they're able to do that. That'd be pretty crazy. That would be pretty crazy. It needed to go down like 1 or 2 more pips. It needed to go down just a little bit more, and it would have been a game over. Looks like some of them in the chat took a 10 pip loss, but I definitely don't want to be doing this much longer tonight.
Come on, sweetheart. Come on, sweetheart. Yo, can you guys imagine? Can you guys imagine the shit flies up 100 pips? This reminds me of Sunday's trade. We were close to getting stopped down and then dropped 100 pips.
We shall see, but they very well could escape this. They very well could escape it. And if they do, good for them. Good for them. If they escape it, that's awesome. I honestly want everybody to be successful. So I hope it works out for them. Our stops are at +4, so we're gonna make money on the sells no matter what. So I hope the buys end up working out for them. I wouldn't have done it, but I mean, on the 15-minute candle now that's going to close in 6 minutes, you actually are looking like you might have a buy candle that I look for without rejection. But we'll see. We have to move down. We have to wait for a few more minutes. And thank you again for letting me know that I look like a demo trader. That's I think that's great. You should just go with that narrative. I think it'll serve you well. It probably will absolutely serve you well. You should go with that narrative that I'm a demo trader. I like it. I'm getting a massive headache too. Getting a massive headache right now. Massive headache. Here goes oil. Here goes oil. So I already had an oil sell in from earlier. that I was down on. Now it looks like I'm down 12 points on it. Oil could absolutely tank, and that would be awesome to see. But I do want to kind of wait here till I see what happens with this GJ. It's looking more and more like it's going to break that low now. Looking more and more like it'll break that low. And we are just about to end profit on the sell on oil. And this is why I like trading the way I do, because my stop losses cover a decent amount. My stop loss on oil was 80 pips, and it looks like we might escape here. We'll see. They are literally dancing around that stop loss. It's crazy. Dancing around it. I'm glad. I am glad I look like a demo trader. I just surely appreciate that, man. That is noble work you're doing, letting me know that I'm a demo trader. Thank you very much. God bless you. And may Allah bless you and all those different people. Bless you, Allah, and bless you, all of those people. I'm glad that you think I'm a demo trader. That's really gonna hurt my heart tonight when I go to sleep. I'm gonna cry myself to sleep on my huge pillow full of money, and think about the fact that this idiot said that I'm a demo trader. So when I fall asleep tonight on my pillow full of money, I will think about you, man. Man, I wish I was as smart like this guy. I really wish I was smart like this guy. Because he's just a winner in life. In general, just a winner. Just a complete winner. An absolute winner. Oh. We are all graced by your presence. We are all graced by your presence. We are in the presence of greatness. They're gonna escape, man. It's gonna be crazy. And all those haters in there are gonna have to suck dick, because he's probably gonna escape this. Good job, man. He's probably gonna escape this, and they're gonna have to bend over and kiss his ass. That's what I would make him do. I'd tell him to kiss my ass. All the haters. I'd tell him to kiss my ass. But that's just me. It's gonna do it.
Come on, baby girl.
It's gonna
go up.
It's gonna do it. That's so crazy to me. All right, let's look and see what else is going on. All these are 15-minute charts, right? In reality, the GJ for us would be a buy on the 15-minute chart right now, because that tail is longer than the body. But because I'm in a sell, it's the only time I won't get into it is when I'm in a sell. My sell is in profit, +4, so I'll just let my sell stop me out. But if you look at the 15-minute candle right now, that's actually a buy. So they're going to pull it off. I believe they're going to pull. I do believe now they're going to pull it off. And that's crazy.
I think we should rip up right now. Oh, there you go. Let's go.
We should take one. We should take a buy right now.
Because now that this wick was filled, I think that we should be seeing some new highs, if you know what I'm saying.
That's crazy. I think they're going to escape. Oh, they're all happy now. Good for them. Like I said, but that would have been if I wasn't in the cell, that would have been a signal to the buy side for me, right there with that tail longer than the body of the candle. With at the close of that 15-minute candle, that would have been a buy.
All right, Mister. I drink my pee on YouTube. You're gone. Sorry, I gotta ban you now. Hide user from channel. Sorry about that.
Well, that's if they escape this one, that's pretty good. All right, so we will have. I will be here for a few more minutes. I'm gonna wait for a 1 hour candle close on just a couple of these different pairs, and then I am busting the hell out of here because I want to go to sleep. So I'm gonna give it another 15 minutes, or 13 minutes, see if we get anything on the 1 hour candle close, and then I'm getting the hell out of here. The freaking US 30 is leaving without us too. The US 30 is leaving without us. I don't like you right now, US 30, because you're leaving without us. I don't like it. I don't like it at all.
Yo, this mix is so hard, bro. Yo, Camilo, I got this fireplace tomorrow that I'm gonna go check out.
Where's it at?
It's here close by.
Alright.
They might effing escape.
Excited, bro? Can't fucking wait, bro.
Ooh, it's gonna be lit.
Alright.
I got one of the guys flying out tomorrow. So, are you gonna be in the area? So we can all get some lunch.
Tomorrow I get out of work at 5 tomorrow.
Okay, maybe we'll do a dinner.
So if anything, I get out of work, I'll let you know.
I guess we can do like a dinner.
You feel like we can meet up or anything, whatever. Yo, what's this mix?
Who?
What's this mix?
No, I just put it on YouTube. It just showed up. It's like 12 hours long.
Oh shit.
It's called
I know
Bass.
it's long.
It's a Bass Boosted Songs for Car Meets 2022 Car Based Music. EDM Bounce Electro House. It's some weird name. It's only got like 20K views.
All right, let's get to the 1 hour chart on these so we can see what's going on.
Can I put on Nicki Minaj? No, I don't want to listen to Nicki Minaj.
We got the 1 hour chart up. And that closes in 10 minutes. We'll see if we get anything to trade on the 1 hour chart here in a minute. But the GJ is definitely looking like it could push up. So they might escape this trade. Looks like it might, but we'll see. Oh, people are just brutal, man. I mean, I think I have it brutal sometimes, but people are just brutal on these people. Just absolutely brutal.
Daniel, for Friday, is the Savage Gang gonna be there? Like Patterson, Bowie.
Oh, wait, what?
Now for Friday, is like the Savage Gang gonna be there as well? Like Patterson, Bowie.
Well, I don't know. I know I'm gonna be there. That's a fact.
100%. You have to.
So we'll keep an eye on this stuff. 9 minutes to go till that. Excuse me, till that candle close. 8 minutes.
Somebody said, "Can your stop loss hit already so my TP can be hit? Is that too much to ask for?" Yo, that is evil, bro. I haven't lost a trade this month, so I'm pretty chilling. Did I lose a trade this month? I don't think so, right? I've only taken... My last 3 trades are winners, that's for sure.
There it is, 38.
No, yeah, no, I haven't lost a trade this month.
They're
I've
gonna
only
get
taken
it,
2 trades
man.
this month.
They're gonna get it. I betcha.
What's up, baby?
They're gonna get it. It looks son of a gun. There's a very damn good chance that they get out of this chair trade by the hair of their chinny chin chin. It's extremely possible. That would be crazy. That would be so damn crazy to be that close to the getting your ass beat on it and then coming all the way back, rallying back and coming in. That would be pretty good. We shall see. But our stop losses are at +4, so no matter what, we're gonna make money, and that's really good. So we're in profit no matter what.
What? Excuse me, what? Oh, we got a guy in Nations looking at a fucking $40,000 payout right now. And he's got 25 days left till he gets paid. So I'm mad. Yo, can you imagine he makes 100K? Bro, it'll be insane. Man, I went to take another line. No, I was talking to my girlfriend, dude. Yo. Do you listen to Arabic songs? No, only when I go to let's say what's that place in Miami Beach, bro? Mintu? Yeah, Mintu. Yeah. When they have like a fire. We got Paul Wenham. Just subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I appreciate you, Paul. Thank you for subscribing, bro. I really appreciate it. It means the world to me. Yo, the same thing. The same thing is happening to happen on Sunday, right? Oh no. We got in here. It went down. It went right back up, and we were like right here. We were like 6 pips away.
All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. kind of just boring. I need some sleep. Everyone have a good night. I'm going to listen to a little bit of streaming for a little bit and take off. You guys all have a good night. All the best to you. Hopefully all your trades win and you guys have a great week. Be careful tomorrow. Things can get pretty crazy. You guys all have a good night though.